My dear sisters and my dear brothers, my dear children and my dear youth, on this day when we celebrate in our parish as Thanksgiving Day, I take this opportunity on behalf of the parish, on behalf of the Sunday school teachers, and on behalf of all those who have organized these days as Thanksgiving days, thanking in a very special way, as I said, our children who have taught us to love the Rosary, to love Mary, and to love the Church. This morning we have read the Gospel of Saint Luke, giving to us the story of the 10 lepers. And we heard, as we were listening to the Gospel, that one of them returned to give thanks to the Lord. And so beautifully it was said that he was a Samaritan. He was an outcast. He was the left out of society. All the others probably were Jews. And that is why he was singled out there as somebody who came back to give thanks to the Lord. We are all aware of this story. I would like to place our emphasis this morning on the first reading of today, taken from Paul's letter to the Corinthians. And I would like to connect it to the good thief who hung on the cross there along with Jesus and the so-called bad thief. What was the response of the good thief to Jesus? He said to Jesus, in Matthew chapter 11 verse 25, we hear that, Jesus, remember me when you are in your Father's kingdom. Doesn't that speak of a gratitude of a person who hung with Jesus on the cross there? Remember me when we are in your Father's kingdom. Wasn't this a prayer that he made? Do we need to have other sort of prayers except the prayer that we acknowledge the person of Jesus? Wasn't this thief, the good thief whom we call, a person who put on the good qualities, as Paul in that letter to the Philippians is telling us? Put on nothing else but goodness in your life, gratitude, love. All these are the qualities that we are called to put on today. My dear sisters, my dear brothers, my dear youth and my dear children, this was the quality of the Good Samaritan, who also thanked Jesus for having cured him of his leprosy. Our parish this morning stands in gratitude to God that during these 7 months of COVID, we have still been united. We have still enjoyed God's grace through the various outreach programs that we have had. And there has been a response from the people who considered themselves fortunate and wanted also to share this fortunate atmosphere and this fortunateness that they have received with those who are deprived, with those who have been less fortunate. And that is why the monthly ration, as we will pray in the prayer of the faithful with gratitude to God, was a big boon that the parish went out in. Out of gratitude. This was an act of gratitude from these people who have received grace from God and wanted also to share this grace with the other. And so, my dear sisters and my dear brothers, I want you this morning to focus your attention on that good thief. He was also hanging there for his own sins. All of us have got our own baggages. All of us have got our own sins. And yet, if we are able at this moment, in spite of our own difficulties, to say to Jesus, remember me when you are in your Father's kingdom, I'm sure we will all enjoy the same love that Jesus showed to him. Today, you will be with me in paradise. That is the gift that we will be given. All of us will belong to Jesus and live with Jesus in paradise.